Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in this session we'll discuss about Facebook marketing analytics, also known as insights. Facebook actually calls it as insights, but they are basically analytics. What are analytics, how analytics work, what are the benefits of analytics, how you can leverage the Facebook analytics to drive traffic to your website and increase conversions. Let's get started with it. What is Facebook Analytics? Facebook Analytics, also known as Insights, offers insightful information on your page. Whether you have a business page or a personal page, or you are doing a paid advertising on Facebook, Facebook Analytics provides you invaluable, insightful information on the user behavior on your Facebook page. A tool designed to help marketers learn more about their target audience, including aggregate information on geography, demography, and purchase behavior. Wealth of information is what Facebook provides in the insights to actually help you improve your conversions, increase visibility, create brand loyalty, increase awareness so that you can drive traffic to your website and make sure that you actually leverage the platform available for you in driving growth of your business. The insights help to improve a page performance. I have a business. What I do is I have created a Facebook page for my business and I have optimized the complete page. The banner, the heading, the logo, about us, the timeline, the kind of content required, the images, the videos and everything. All is set and done. But the important thing is I am not getting the engagement. There are some posts that I have posted on Facebook page and there are some posts that are getting good traffic. There are some pages which are not actually being viewed by the users. What analytics or insights does is it helps me in analyzing my Facebook page. What kind of information that I can get from it and how I can analyze the analytical information provided by Facebook for me and how I can tweak, enhance and improve my Facebook page so that it is completely optimized and it is kind of delivering me the kind of awareness, visibility and conversions that is actually my main objective and goal. Analytical information does a wealth of provide information to you so that you can improve your page performance. There are three core important areas where actually the analytical information focuses on. One is page likes, the second is post reach and third is the engagement. Page likes, total and new page likes on the page. What you will get is what is the total and what are the new page likes that you are getting and from where you are getting. Post reach, total number of people who were shown your page and posts. This is an extremely important analytical information that helps you in analyzing which posts are working and which posts are not working and why they are not working so that you can take informed decisions based on the kind of content that is actually you are providing on the Facebook. Engagement, total number of unique people who are engaged with the page. Very, very crucial and important information. What is the engagement level, who are the people and who are engaging with what information. These are the three core areas of information that Facebook Insights provides you, making sure that you get the kind of information that is required for you so that you can enhance and improve your page performance. The benefits, the immense benefits that analytics or insights of Facebook provide you, they help us understand user behavior and that is what precisely we need, the user behavior, how the user is behaving on my Facebook page, what are the posts that they are viewing and what are the pages that they are not viewing and which is the content that is working and which is the content that is not working. This kind of information on user behavior helps us immensely in actually tweaking our Facebook page. Insights help in posting targeted messages. When I get the information and what post is working and what post is not working, I can tweak and enhance the content that is required for me to post so that I can get the engagement required for my Facebook page. Facebook Insights create a better understanding how to gain the best results from the business page. At the end of the day, the bottom line is you actually need the visibility, awareness, brand loyalty of your Facebook page among a larger audience. You need the likes, you need the engagement, you need the fans, and also you need the users to click on the call to action CTA and drive traffic to a website or a blog or a landing page. These are the main objectives of any business page. When you want this to happen, you need to take care of the analytical information that Facebook provides in Facebook inserts, draw inspiration from him, do the research, do the analysis, and ensure that you actually leverage Facebook insights in improving your page performance. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video are what is Facebook analytics, analytics core areas, and the immense benefits that you can derive out of Facebook analytics. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.